Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening System Settings and selecting Apple ID so you change your password where it actually lives. Make sure you know the current password and that a 2FA device is nearby. Otherwise, the process stalls. Once in Password and Security, click Change Password and follow the prompts. I explain steps now because doing this inside your Apple ID ensures Keychain and Icloud services update correctly, so you don't create sync conflicts later. You'll type your current password, then enter the new one twice. This confirms accuracy. When prompted, approve the sign-in on a trusted iPhone or iPad. This is 2FA and it proves it's you. Make the new password a unique passphrase with letters, numbers, and symbols so your account is harder to breach. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites. Once done, Mac OS will re-authenticate iCloud services, so apps like Mail and Photos reconnect automatically. After changing the password, verify iCloud apps sync correctly. Open Mail, Photos, and Contacts to confirm. If something fails, sign out of Apple ID on the Mac and sign back in. This forces a fresh token exchange. Make sure keychain prompts are resolved so saved passwords update. If you're blocked by lost 2FA or forgotten current password, use account recovery or contact Apple ID support. This is slower, but it protects your data and restores access securely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.